Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, we're going to be doing a simple Valentine's makeup look, and we're going to start off by using this primer. And please ensure that if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and if you've subscribed, please ensure that you've turned on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll always be notified. So I'm just blending in that primer. Then I'm going to be using this Fit Me by Maybelline finishing powder and apply it on her face. This to make her makeup last longer, especially because she has an oily face. And then I'm going to apply foundation and blend. Today I'm just going to be using this foundation brush to blend it in. And whenever you're applying foundation, please tap it in. You don't want to drag your brush because that will be removing your products from one place to another, one point to another, and you don't want that. So just tap it in onto the skin. And this is the progress that we have so far. You can see that foundation really looks nice, and this is what we have used: Revlon, Colorstay, Zaron, and Neutrogena, and NYX or NYX foundation. So right now I'm just going to highlight, and I'm using Legal Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. And when it comes to highlighting, you just highlight the areas where the light hits first, and you don't use a lot of products, just a little is enough. And then I'm going to be using this fan and then blending that concealer using this brush. This is by Real Technique. So blend until it's well blended in. And always ensure that you don't go overboard, otherwise the whole face will have concealer, and since the concealer is lighter, the whole face will be looking a bit lighter, and you don't want that. So ensure that you've not gone way too far with the concealer highlight. And then blend. Blend until you can't see any harsh lines. That's when you know that you can actually stop. So blend. Take your time with blending. And to set all the highlighted areas, I'm going to be using this Legal finishing powder and just apply it on the areas where I actually did highlight. And I'm not using a lot of product, just a little is enough. You don't need too much product. And this is the progress that we have so far. So I'm now going to do her eyebrows, and I'm using Davis number 003 eyebrow pencil. And I first start by lining her eyebrows just according to the shape of her eyebrows, and then I can go ahead and fill in. But first I start with lining and then fill in. And I start from the arc, going to the tail, doing very light strokes. You don't need to be way too heavy with the eyebrow pencil. And then after that, I'm going to conceal the bottom part, and I'm using Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So I'm just cleaning up her eyebrows. I'm starting off with the bottom part, and then after that, I'm just going to blend everything and use a concealer to prep her eyelids for eyeshadow. And then the first shade is from Morphe Eyeshadow Palette 35V. And this is the first transitioning shade that I'm actually going to be using. And for transitioning shades, they should always be matte. They should always be matte. And then I'm going to be using a purple shade, still from the Morphe Eyeshadow Palette 35V. The dark purple one. And then apply as I blend, apply as I blend, apply as I blend. And then after that, I'm going to draw a cut crease. And I'm using a flat brush and concealer. So the concealer I'm using is a Fawn by Illegal. After that, I'm going to apply an orange shade from Zulu by Juvia's Eyeshadow Palette. Still using the same brush, I'm going to apply a shimmery shade from the Morphe Eyeshadow Palette 35V. And this is the progress that we have so far. So I'm now going to do her lips, and I'm going to start off by lining her lips using Davis number 003, and then use this Mocha Mocha by Maybelline. And then I'm going to create an ombre, and I'm using Poet by Maybelline to do the ombre. I'm going to be using a fluffy brush to blend in that lipstick and ensure that it doesn't have any creasing. So I'm just blending in, blend. And for lashes, she wanted dramatic lashes, and that's what I actually did. And to add some warmth, I'm going to be using a brown shade from the Zulu by Juvia's Eyeshadow Palette. And it just looks so beautiful on her skin. I love it. And then to highlight, I'm going to be using e.l.f. highlighter to highlight. And this highlighter is giving what it's supposed to be giving. I love it. And this is the progress that we have so far. So this is what we have, looking beautiful. So I'm now going to set, and I'm going to be using this setting spray. This is by Maybelline. It's long lasting fix by Maybelline. And set the whole makeup. And this is the final look, guys. Wow, what do you think about it? Tell me on the comment section. Yeah, so this is what we have so far, and she's also a content creator. I'm going to link her YouTube channel name on the description box so that you can actually go and check it out. So until next time, bye. Please subscribe.